Hey everybody, this is a quick little mini lesson on writing ratios. So come on over here and grab a pen of your choice. Okay, I'm gonna go red. Okay. So remember, a ratio compares two things. Okay. So here we need to determine the ratio of cats to dogs. So notice we have two pictures of dogs, right? So the ratio is gonna be two dogs, and then we have three kittens. So the ratio is going to be 2 to 3. Okay. So you can write ratios several different ways. I like to write it as the fraction 2/3. Okay. You can also write it as 2 and then a colon symbol in 3. Okay. Or you can write it also as 2 and then the word 2, T0, O, to 3. And there it is. So the ratio of cats to dogs is 2 to 3.